The beauty of Walt Disney World extends even to their resorts. This is the BoardWalk Inn, and we just came to check out all the decorations that they were doing. But one of our favorite things to check out is the gingerbread house. Over here, they have a bar which you could actually get some adult beverages as well as some hot cocoa. And they do sell actual gingerbread. But this beauty over here is what a lot of people come and visit the Disney resorts for. At the deluxe hotels, they all have a different gingerbread house that they make. Here you can see all the fun facts that goes into making the gingerbread house. Please take the time to check out all the details that they put into this. So we really appreciate all the cast members that put in that many hours to make these really cool treats. They are going to be up until January 1st. They're at all the Disney World deluxe resorts as well as Epcot, because this is the first year that they had one at Epcot. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see it, but hopefully next year they'll do it again and we'll be able to check it out. If you are visiting Disney World and you want to do something a little different, check out the Disney World gingerbread houses.